This is what we call cane in Jamaica. This is sugar cane. So back in our days, this is what them used to slave our people for now. We be a part of the sugar exportation.
1,000.
Hello.
Yeah.
Rest in peace to our gone but not forgotten. Yeah. And rest in peace to my subscriber people them and them. People them gone but them not forgotten, you know? Yeah.
Everybody asks, who is it? Everybody wanna know, who is me? Everybody asking, who is it? Yeah, who is me? Yeah, man. Danny British, driving artist, couldn't drive cheap, too cheap. Burberry's on me, clocks on feet like a London street, you know see? 400 pound OG, ship it from the west, delivered in the east. Everywhere me go, you know me, have me thugs and with me. Y'all hide the condom, I say she want the picnic. Bob Marley, me, I move, me, not touch Whitney. Burn a rape a boy and kill a boy, we touch Pitney. Bad mind and corruption, fi flush quick.
My colleague send me a gift now. I wonder if it's a prank, you know. Cause I used to get nothing from my colleague, yeah. Jay, shout out to Jay. Oh wow, it's a Christmas gift for you.
Aww.
Christmas at today. Bruh, bruh, eat that fuck up this That's smugglings. All this. Whatever it has so, the man said. You can bandages. What Papa said with bacon bandages? Fried chicken candy. Bruh, what is wrong with Jay, bro? Yo, okay. Okay, Papa, okay. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Papa know what we deal with, man. Yeah, man. Oh,
Here's
man.
the candy.
Eh? That's so I never get no gift from Jay. Yeah, I never get no gift from nobody. Yeah, I love candy. You got me wearing.
Wee! Are you a fairy? Are you playing fairy? You look so cute in your wings. Again? Wee! Are you a fairy? She landed. Yeah. Ooh. Are those dinosaur stickers? What dinosaurs say?
Back up, sir. You get to open yours too.
Oh, is that Paw Patrol? Look at how cute their little tattoos. How cute. Hi. Yeah, Minnie. Let's take a video. Let's see some smiles. Oh, how cute. A fan. You like the fan? Is that cool? Yeah, open the rest of your stuff. This one's Donald Duck. Yeah.
Yeah. Outside I eat soup.
Cowfoot. Yummy soup.
Yeah.
Little
Outside.
chicken foot. Yummy.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Ive.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, what'd you get? Yeah. Yes. Want to do your stocking? Cook. Is that Barbie? Yeah.
No, mommy know exactly what you want, so I think I didn't shop it there. Mommy come to the attempt to say I said things alive. Here we go.
Here are your presents.
The big one.
Ooh, start ripping it open. You rip it open.
Yeah, pussy.
Good, rip it open. Here you go. Yeah. Is that Barbie? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's a bow. Who is that? Is that Sky Aqua Pup?
Paw Patrol!
There, Paw Patrol, go, go, go. Or this one. Yeah, you gotta wait. You got one more.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah! Yeah!
Whoa. Is that a big pony? Is that from your Barbie show?
Whoa! Dream house! La, 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 la.
Yeah. You're trying to press it? Look. Okay, yeah. You ready to open this one? Candy canes. Mama, hold those candy canes in there. Might need some help. Look, is it some cookies? And you got some little candy? Got some Reese's Pieces? Ivy, come on. Boy, look. Pull it out. Let's see. Oh, Mama, hold the candy. Get you all distracted. Yeah. Is that a Paw Patrol Skytail?
Sky.
Look, it has a little hood. So after you take your bath. A little bath bomb? I love taking baths. Yeah. It's for kids. Yes. I tell Daddy you like your bath bombs. Yeah. It's a horse. It's like Princess Ponyhead. Look. Oh, how cute. Is that Lightning McQueen? She saw it at AutoZone. She wanted it heck of bad. Yeah. Oh, a Barbie toothbrush. Yeah, I'll open it for you. Look. There's your Lightning McQueen.
Butt crack.
Ivy. Look. Look. You got bluey bubbles. Look. Merry Christmas, baby. And some new toothpaste.
There you go.
Totally.
And your ring pops.
Yeah.
All of that just to get to that.
Yep.
Come, John. Get up. Bring me guns. Bring it, John. Run it, Angie. Chop a beat.
Hello, Dream House. Could I have a bunch of puppies, please? Of course, Barbie. That's so cute. That's too sweet.
Yeah, they know. Yeah. Where you got? Where you got? Yum. You know, you're not eat that in a one sitting, right? Okay.
Is it good?
Good stuff.
Good stuff. Yum, yum.
Oh, yeah.
You're ready to eat.
Here you go. Mean?
She keeps asking for Mimi
Oh, you
too.
want to talk to Mimi?
We might gotta FaceTime Mimi.